This is Stacey Ivol from Integrity First Technology Solutions, and in this video we are going to review how to change your redacted text's look. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Tools and select the Redact tool so you have the redaction toolbar. Now, currently, if I mark text and images for redaction, you can see that the redaction looks like this. It's a black overlay with the word redacted in red over it. So let's say that I just wanted it to be a black overlay bar with no text. In order to do that, we would go to Properties and uncheck this Use Overlay Text. This way, this just gives us a redacted area fill, and you can change that fill color. But for now, let's just leave it as black and say OK. Now, the next text that I select to redact, you can see that, in fact, it just shows up as the black overlay bar. Now, another instance you might encounter is that you're redacting information due to a certain privacy code, and you want to let the people know what that code is as to the reason why you're redacting something. So, go to Properties, select Use Overlay Text, and come down here and select Redaction Code. Let's say you want to use the code from the US FOIA and code B2. So make sure that you have US FOIA highlighted in code set and select the entry B2 and say Add Selected Entry. Select OK, and now you can see that the next set of text that we redact will show up as redacted due to B2. Now let's say the next set of text that you want to redact is due to a different code. Come up here to Properties. Make sure that you have this B2 selected and say Remove Selected Entry. Now let's say the next set of text that you want to redact is due to B3A. So select B3A, add the selected entry, and say OK. Now you can see that the next set of text that we redact will show up as redacted due to B3A. You can do this with any number of codes that are listed there, or you actually can add your own. To add your own, you'll say Edit Codes, and you actually see that you can add your own code set, you can import a set, and the same thing with the codes. You can actually add codes to go with a new set.